to make my first tattoo, and I'm for sure vlogging this for my YouTube channel. So let's see how it's gonna happen. Right now I'm with the Neerav and Pranjali. Say hi.
Hello.
इधर से बोल.
Hi.
Yeah, they're dropping me by at the location. Yeah, let's hope it's not painful.
जल्दी ही होता है ना
किससे कैलेंडुला
हाँ
हाँ
I gave you 10 a week ago. You told me that you got me when your check came home. I've been waiting patiently cause you my homie, bro. But times is getting hard, so I'ma need to see that cheddar though. You ain't been picking up, you finding escapes. I might have to wipe you out just like you Colgate. You been ducking at the crib thinking that you safe, but little do you know I'm posted right up in your driveway. I'ma beat you up, I'ma tear you down. I'ma turn your little smile into a big ol' frown. Cause evidently you don't wanna send a message now. And you holding to my money like you Oscar proud. I'ma find you, and I'ma get you. I'ma stick into your head just like I'm Cantu. It's a couple things in life I'll make amends to, but owing me some money, hell no, this a no can do.
Hey guys, I'm back home and we are done with 2 tattoos. Like not even one. I went crazy for the first time and I got 2 tattoos. So I'm gonna unwrap my tattoos right now and explain you my experience. Okay. So first of all, was it painful? As you've already seen, it was not for me. Now this topic is very subjective because the pain tolerance is different for each individual. So it was not painful for me, but it may for you. So don't go on like अरे कुछ दुखने नहीं वाला है. तो maybe you never know. Okay. So I didn't have any pain in this tattoo, but this tattoo had little bit of pain. Like I felt something was poking in. Now let's unwrap this baby. Here's the reveal of the first tattoo. Here we go. Okay. Ooh, cool. This was painful because obviously it was done मतलब मेरे nerves के ऊपर. But yeah, it is what it is. I went crazy, I know that. That's how I decide things in my life also. It's always abrupt. Oh, it's all sweaty. Actually, today it was very humid for no reason. Like, I was so sweaty all the time. It was so weird. But no, like, I thought it will be like rainy. It was not at all rainy. It was completely humid. So, this is second tattoo. I know, right? I'm crazy. Oh, I'm also planting my nails. Ha ha.